welcome back. And we're doing another Blender quick tips video here on how to make a quick and easy chain link fence. Okay, so let's get into it. I've got nothing in the scene, it's all deleted. I'm going to press Shift A, go to Mesh, and select Plane. I am going to press R, then X, and 90, and it will rotate it on 9. Now I'm pressing 1 on the keyboard number pad. All right, now with it selected, I'm going to press G to grab it, and then Z for the Z axis, and just move it up here. Then I'm going to go to Object and apply Set Origin to 3D Cursor. So now the origin is on here, and if you like brought it into Unity or something, it would start off on the floor like that at the bottom. Now, with it selected, go into Edit mode. All right. With it still selected. Now you want to right click and subdivide in the box that comes up down below. Give it 10 segments. All right. And then click away and you've got it. All right. With this, go to face and poke faces. Go back to face and tries to quads. All right. You can get rid of this box. With this done, go to the modifiers, little wrench here, add a modifier, and we want the wireframe modifier. All right, with that done, you can go into object mode, and there's your fence. All we have to do is apply the modifier, and you are good to go. Okay, it's that simple and quick. If you want to make it better, you could highlight it, go back into edit mode. All right, press A to select all, and then Shift A to add, let's see, a cylinder. All right. We'll keep it at the segments it's at, just because. All right. And go into here. And let's scale it down to something like, that. And then go into one. Just grab it and bring it to either side. Go about halfway through the side there. All right. And then just grab the top face, press G and Z to grab it in the Z, and you can bring it up. It's a little big, so let's hover over and press L to highlight the whole thing, and then S to scale and just bring it down so it's more like that. G to grab it, Z, bring it back down to the floor. Okay, then we're going to grab the top again right here, and G to grab it, Z, bring it up. All right, and now you've got that segment. Okay, so if you go back into object mode, boom, it's all one piece. And you could simply Shift D to duplicate it, press X to move it on the X axis, and then boom, you bring it over here like this. And now you've got segments and you can just keep going like that and bring it into your game engine or whatever. But that is a quick and easy chain link fence. Boom. Quick and easy, right? Hell yeah. And since you made it this far, here's a life tip for you. Okay. Next time you go to grab yourself a scoop of ice cream, all right, with like a metal spoon, and the ice cream is just too frozen to get that spoon into, try heating your spoon up in the microwave for a while. Yeah, your microwave will love that. Yeah, make it nice and hot for you. And then it'll just, cut through that ice cream like a hot spoon through ice cream. Yeah, yeah, don't do that, actually. All right, so until next time, peace out.